Hi everyone, today I want to share about Unity Action. This is the basic and easy explanation. This knowledge will boost your speed in learning the new input action system. Yes, we call it new input action system 2 years ago, but I think it's safe to just say input action for now. It's already 2 years, and we can see this input action on three parts, which is input action asset, input action map, and input action. See it like this. Input action asset is a collection of input action map, and input action map is a collection of input action. To be more clear, let's see an example. Input action asset. This is the example. Player movement control, player attack control, and player defense control. But you can also name it player control asset. It doesn't matter because it depends on your game skill. But just for an example, we will choose player movement control. Let's see the next example is on input action map. Inside the input action asset named player movement control. For example, let's see, imagine Skyrim VR game or just normal Skyrim game. We have gameplay screen and map screen, right? And on both of them, we got two separate control. In gameplay, we can move or attacking, and in the map, we can see many places, and when we press the same button, it's doing different things than in the gameplay screen, right? That's why we can separate it like this, gameplay map and map map. I hope it's quite clear, and if not, just ask it in comment section. Next example is the input action inside gameplay input action map. We're taking an example on gameplay screen. So in gameplay screen, we can move our character, right? So the input action example is up, down, left, right, and jump, or even attacking. Now these three parts is clear. What's next? What we need to ask? We already defined the input action up, down, left, right, and jump. But how to control the action? The answer is easy. We can control it using binding. Again, with an example, let's say we want to jump, so we binding the jump control. We can use keyboard, we can use Xbox controller, and also mobile phone. In keyboard, we can press spacebar to jump, and Xbox controller, we can use B button to jump, or in touchscreen like mobile phone, we can just tap it to jump. That's it. Easy, right? And in the next video, we will see it in action. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.